opened up some.
We just moved over, so it's Easter.
So it's been what, early last year? Or
January.
it was January this year. Okay.
And I was there only 4 to 5 months. This is the new engine shop.
Really?
Brand spanking new.
Oh, that looks cool.
They're gigantic engines.
That looks cool.
This is where I've worked.
You've been working
22 and a half years.
Wow.
But I come over here too. Still, I was over here today.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, doing fuel. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So they basically had no choice but to expand.
Yeah, pretty much.
Or they're going to shut down some of
There's
this.
a lot going on. So.
Newer aircraft, and then they're decommissioning aircraft.
Yeah. And when they get rid of the 88s and the 90s, and they're high maintenance.
Oh.
The new ones are not high maintenance yet.
Really? Well,
going,
being brand new, right?
Here's the Delta Fly Jet. That's the largest neon sign in Georgia. Delta Jet.
I don't know if we can get it.
Yeah. This is our,
Employees parking.
that's one of them. And that's the engine shop way down there. All that's engine shop also.
Oh, that. There we go.
It's crazy. It's
Wow.
a lot going on.
Yes.
All this is going to disappear eventually. All down through here.
They're going to tear it down or just?
Put up. There are going to be more concourses through here.
Oh.
All down through here.
All
eventually.
underground.
If that many people keep coming, all down through. This is the new New York.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I believe it. The South, the New York of the South.
In Holloway, South Hollywood.
Okay.
Yeah. This used to be Eastern's.
As well.
This was the cargo.
Oh, Eastern. Man.
So sad Delta went out. Those damn.
So basically, the only way would have had some sort of key insight as to what the future held for the airline, but
I don't know what the future for the maintenance side of Delta. It's
well, you had to have buddies in the other airlines and say, hey, you want to come on over?
a lot of the Northwest. Don't know what really don't. This economy is terrible.
I've got
Financial implications of them monitoring and making down here.
tornado alert, huh? Think about Georgia, we don't get tornadoes.
You still get them in there.
Follow that Flint River.
You know that, I don't know if you know, I own some property over at East River.
Really?
Bought 2 pieces of property. It's actually Joey's Joey's mom's house is their grandparents' house.
Really? How close to the school?
Right there.
Well, what?
Right there.
Right there? Is the school building still there?
Not today.
No kidding.
I own it right next to it. I own two lots.
Not where the boys club used to be.
Boys Club.
Yeah. If you're facing, you're looking out the window from the main entrance of the school,
Right.
straight across was the boys club.
It's gone.
Okay, the boys club is gone. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm to the left. If you came out that door, you go left.
Okay. Yep. There was a road. There was a road right there.
There's a road.
Okay.
And then,
That's where the bus would pick us up. Would be right there.
yeah, right there. If you went straight away from the school,
Okay.
there's two spots right there. Well, you have to see it,
Really?
but it's a church has it now. I damn right want crazy. You hungry? Get a,
Yeah, no, I haven't eaten anything.
Anything?
You want something to eat?
well, there's Chick-fil-A here, or
Okay.
there's Chick-fil-A down in Jonesboro, or Hampton.
Yep, and they just opened up in Rochester.
Did
So
they?
we have we have one.
They're working
And
their
I,
way up.
and I mean, it is packed. I mean, from the time they're open till the time they shut down, they are packed.
Where's I used to now? They're right here,
Yeah,
pretty
they're-
busy. This is just the morning. That's been there a long time.
Man, you know, this is where they came from.
Yeah, up in Hayesville, Dad used to go. It's still there. They haven't changed a whole lot.
A lot. This really hasn't changed a whole lot. It's still,
This is somewhat still the same.
other than it's been with white.
That doesn't change.
It's still there. There's a slight bit of hydroplane here. I can feel it. Man, that red clay is gonna be rolling into the Chattahoochee and.
First time ever in the Delta fishing tournament.
Oh really? Delta's holding one or?
Well, it's guys that are doing it for a charity.
Oh okay.
Delta likes to do it. Anybody in the project that starts up one,
Yeah, that's cool.
they're like, wow, look at that.
Yeah, okay. Woohoo! Over the bridge too.
Yeah.
Man.
You know, this area is slightly battlefield all the way up.
Right. Yep.
Here
All the way back.
Wow.
But I would.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, what I'd love to do is be able to put the drone up and look down, because it's just like being in an airplane. You can see the scars in the land.
Well, this, all the way up to here. I got the metal effect a little bit of love to it, but that's all going away.
Oh, is that
You won't be able to.
getting all covered with concrete?
Okay. This all has to change. But this hill right here,
Right.
in the 70s, that's one of the best places.
That's the
on
places. Yep.
This is the high end.
I agree.
That's why I don't think when Sherman came up, this was one of the. It's like, I got to deal with this.
Yep.
I got to go up that hill, and everybody's.
Yep. And you don't tell them what's on the other
He
side.
had to battle it all the way through.
Yep.
That's why he didn't even go down to Griffin. I think
Yep.
they encamped down there in Griffin, and they were just waiting.
Right.
Come on, bring it on. We're had enough.
Yep. Yep. All around that International Raceway was the big.
That's the encampment.
That was the
No battle, but a lot of encampments.
encampment.
That's why he just went down 75. Went down 75 and went, I guess, out, all the way out, Old 20, all the way over to Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish.
You know, down here, in 20 years, you would never know that there was a battlefield, nothing was here. And that's just 20 little years.
Right.
And it's been 200 years.
Doing
You know,
a little bit in that
No,
field right
100
there. If I was
yeah, well, that's all been graded out. So
Yep.
it's not original soil anymore.
soil anymore. Okay.
Right back the same way, but they opposited the drive-through.
Right.
They flipped.
I flipped it.
For some reason, they think that's gonna work. I don't know. I don't think it's working.
Yeah, they've reconditioned all the restaurants in one way or another here.
Wendy's that's somewhat a new one, which is almost 50 years old now.
Right.
But that's an old one as it is now. And the one in Griffin, they finally did one on the hill.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they redid that one completely.
the Long John Silver's still on.
It's still there.
It's still there.
Right next to it. The Wendy's. They redid it.
They redid Wendy's, okay. Crazy red.
That's over in Hampton.
Freaking musket
This
balls.
is over in Hampton. We got that out in nowhere.
Wow.
And that one, that's on the back side of it's not Stately Oaks.
That's some. That
Stubbs, not Stubbs.
can't
There's a
tell.
battlefield over here.
Can't tell if it was
The ones
fired.
that did the horses,
Right.
the cavalry ones. And another thing that was out there too, and I don't think that's a bullet. I think that is a seal. I think it's a seal, crushed seal, and it was very close to where that was.
Where this one was?
It could be a bullet, but I do think it's a seal. And you'll find a lot of seals. They were for the wine or whatever on the bottle,
Oh, okay.
and they crushed the seal to make sure.
There's a.
But yeah, those are two little things I found.
Yeah, there's a.
Pretty neat.
Yeah, pretty sure. There's the bullet of the centuries there. It's hard to say if it took a life or not.
That's an old one. I know
Yeah.
it's the original because where it's at. And they don't let you metal detect over there.
No.
But this is on the backside. They were foreclosing on